Samsung is working on the Galaxy Buds Core, according to recent rumors. These are intended to replace the Galaxy Buds FE as the cheapest TWS earbuds in the company's portfolio. They are definitely launching very soon, as Samsung supports sites in a bunch of countries, including India, the UAE, Russia, and Turkey, have now listed these buds under their SMR410 model number. The Galaxy Buds Core have already been certified for sale in India by BIS. As per the source, each bud will have a 100 mAh capacity, whereas the case will have a 500 mAh capacity. The first Samsung launch event where these could be presented is in early July, when the company is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7, so perhaps the Buds Core will be announced on that occasion, when the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic should also debut. Nothing about the Galaxy Buds Core specs is known at this point. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.